Well, welcome to the new system. So, how it's gonna go? So, I'm gonna show you basically everything that I've learned about it so far. I haven't really done that much of a how do I say, like testing it, because I literally just got it. Like I literally just got an email with a login and password from the admin side, and also from the student side. So how do you get to so this is how the student side is going to look like. This is how you get this is what you will see. You basically will most likely go on the Smart Way Learning Center website and just click on a button and it will get you here. Over here, you will provide me with an email address if I don't even have it. If I still don't have it, but I probably do have it. But anyways, if not, then I'll just send you a text message if I don't have it. Now you're gonna have to put your email there and the password. I'll make for you, right? And I'll text you back your password. So so this is how it's gonna go. I already created like a test email. So we'll definitely go in and then we'll look at everything and test it out together because I literally haven't done it yet. So this is how my side, like the admin side, looks like. So as you see, this is how many tests there are. And there's also even the PSAT here, which is going to be pretty useful for the PSAT students. But yeah, so all I do is just I assign the test and there we go. Now there's scores. So obviously I haven't done anything yet in terms of the score, and the students, obviously I don't have any of you there yet. So basically only the tests. It's like pretty simple. And actually I actually like this about this. So it's okay. So let's see. I created so that's what I'm thinking, right? So you're going to get like let's say when you're gonna come in here, right? Like let's say you're gonna have a computer or a tablet with you, most likely a computer, I think. You'll log in, right? I'll give everyone like the Wi-Fi password and everything. So you'll log in, and there will be a test here. Right now it's in progress because I kind of like started clicking through, but I literally made just a couple of clicks. So it's gonna go there. So what does it say? Mini digital. So yeah, I assigned mini digital one. Obviously we don't need to look up at the full one. There is no need. Okay, so timing. The full length practice test is timed like the real SAT, but you can pause anytime. If you continue on a different device, you will need to start over. Okay, that makes sense. When you finish the practice test, you will be given your scores as well as the answer keys along with the answers so you can see which questions you got right or wrong. You see, so after every test, you get the score right away. I don't really have to check it anymore. It's crazy, guys. It's like I'm telling you, like to say that I'm excited is like not to say anything. Okay, so assistive technology. We currently do not offer assistive technology. If you're taking the SAT soon, please use the assistive technology in Blue Book app from the College Board so you know what to expect on the test day. What does that mean, assistive technology? Because they do provide you with the like a decimals. So I'm not really sure what is the assistive technology is. Like a calculator? What else is there? Okay, I'm not really sure. Uh, oh, you mean for the disabilities? Maybe, maybe. All right. Okay, so let's do it. So, yeah. So look at this. So you have time right in front of you. You see it, like basically what they told me before I purchased that thing is that. Yeah. By the way, how do you like my Roman test off? Because it's a test account. Okay. So basically you have the timer right in front of you, right? But you can hide it. So actually, they really really like that feature. You know, if you kind of like don't want to see the time, like it's kind of like distracting. And for me, it would be distracting just the ticking. Like so, yeah, you can hide it and like you click on it and you see it. So what else is there? Reference sheet right away, right over here. You don't have to go anywhere. Calculator. Look at that, guys. Desmos built in. Let's see. Y equals x squared. Yeah, everything works just so. It's just a regular Desmos. Well, it is a Desmos because they told me that they partnered with Desmos. Okay. Oh, hold on, Michelle. You took the you took the SAT, right? Already once before.
Yeah, I took the SAT on the 8th, I think. March 8th.
Oh, you've just taken it like 4 days ago?
Yeah, on Saturday morning.
Wow. And how? Okay,
Yeah.
so you definitely will need to share in a second. But tell me, is that like that looks exactly? Oh, so your father also said it looks exactly like the real test.
Yeah, that you can hide the time thing and like that's also on the test.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I don't know, it looks pretty much the same except you can't exit out the screen. Like you don't have the tabs at the top. You literally can't exit
Oh
that
yeah,
screen.
obviously, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Because there are
But
no
other than
other.
that, it looks the same.
What about this button where it's like question
Same
one
thing.
through?
Literally
Same
the same
thing,
thing. Yeah.
guys. This is amazing. What can I
Is there like
say?
a flag button? Or like on multiple choice, can you cross out multiple choice?
I don't know why it's not even moving. Hold on. Oh yeah. So this is one. This is but this is not a multiple choice question. So here. So what do you want me
Yep.
to do?
Same thing. Just press on it. Press on like B or something.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
wait, that doesn't cross it out. Mm.
Oh, you
Press
want to
the, you see the
cross?
little ABC? Yeah. The little ABC. And then you press on
This
A.
is this is how you
And
cross it out. But why do you need to
yeah,
cross it out if you can just
I don't
like?
know. I don't know, but that's
Okay.
also on the CC.
Oh, okay. So this is the feature. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. So yeah, everything. So that was their idea to kind of like make it as as close as they can. The only thing is that there is much more questions here, like these little squares, right? There's like all 27 of them here. This one is like the mini model. That's why there's only five. It's just like a test model, right? Um, yeah. What else? Calculator, shortcuts. Was there something like this there? Shortcuts? Zoom in, zoom out, zoom back, next,
If it was
annotate,
there, I didn't see it. Well, maybe.
eliminate option A, eliminate option Control Alt 1. I think it's just too much to do. Like, why would you like X out one if you kind of? I mean, maybe I don't know.
It's
Select
useful
this.
for ELA more than it is for math, to be honest.
Ah, you're right. Probably.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Uh, yeah. So once I assign it, basically that's what we can do over our like since I'm doing the we're doing like a full test on our next class. We're definitely going to be doing this version now. That's it, guys. No more paper. No more no more PDFs. No more printing out everything on my end here. Can't believe we're there, And I think we're actually one of the like. I think I haven't seen anyone doing like in any tutoring center having it yet. Maybe some obviously have, maybe like one or two, but it's only a few, only a couple. Usually tutoring centers don't want to spend money on things like that. But I'm like, you know what? Like I told you all, like this year. I'm actually trying my best to provide you with everything that will help you to do better. Um, and also having this system and training on this, considering that you all have uh, until September to take the test, like August, I would say that this is insane. Like everyone can literally get boosted by like 100 points, at least by 100 points. Can you imagine us doing 38 tests? You know what I mean? And going over and you getting a score and actually like figuring out like what kind of questions you're weak at, and then actually just doing these questions, like you'll be doing this question, but then going to a question bank, right? Going to a specific topic and just do those questions only, or like let's say if everyone would be weak at some type of questions, that I can just open only those questions to just do those questions over our online class. That's insane. That's insane. All right. Now, before I'm gonna go, and so this is literally it. I mean, there's nothing else. I mean, this is it. You start the test, you do it, and you're done. Okay. So discard. Whatever. Yeah, there's nothing else that appears here other than just probably this is a profile, right? All right, and that's it. And I really really love it. Like nothing extra, nothing excessive. Um, what else? The only thing is that how I can look at so I can look up so I can look at the test before assigning it to you. Okay, so that's good. I don't have to assign it. So you see they have digital. Okay, so they have math mod hard only. So there are harder tests. So basically we can technically either start with the hard one or build it up to the harder ones. It's great. Now, um, the only thing is that obviously those are the only difference. Okay, how do they make these questions? How do they make these questions? They made these questions basically, they made the variations of the questions that they saw that College Board made. So let's say they saw College Board posting a specific questions and then they made a variation of the question. Different numbers, different names, stuff like that. So I would say the only difference um, between these tests and the actual test is those are not actually adaptive tests. This test is not going to change the answers based on how you answer it. Because otherwise it wouldn't be like I told you guys like the last time, it would be impossible to go over the questions with everyone if everyone would get the different questions. But I spoke with the owner of this like system who sold it to me, and I asked him like, can you actually do one or two adaptive ones? Like put like a lot of questions in the bank and try to like actually imitate the algorithm of like if you do it right, then you get a harder question. If you do it wrong, you get an easier question. We don't like I told him that we don't need a lot of them, but like let's say on important mock tests right before you're gonna take the actual one, I would want probably you to do an adaptive one, and then just like sit down maybe with one of you separately and do like a private class where we're just going to go over with and analyze your specific test and what happened and at what point, like why did you get that wrong at that moment. So yeah, is ELA still on paper? No. ELA is there. ELA is there. I just skipped it, but it's there. Hold on. What do I do here? Tests. Students. Tests. Okay, test 7, right? Yeah, this is ELA. Reading and Writing 101. Yeah, same thing. I just skipped it because I wanted to see the math part. Look, there we go. 27 questions. All right. Now, okay, someone's mic is on. Now, what are we gonna do now? Okay, so this system. So basically, since we're doing the mock test, I'm wondering if. Okay, so how much time? It's 35 minutes each time, right? Like 30, 35 minutes. So yeah. Then I'm gonna have to probably do it from like you guys come in at 3, right? So, well, basically just like the last time, you're going to start the test like at 3, and that's it. And you're gonna go a little bit over the time, right? Is it gonna be a little bit over? How much over is going to go? Is going to, so if we do 35 minutes each, so it's like 35, 70 minutes. So you're gonna go 20 minutes over the time, which is fine. I'll just basically let you go there. Now, the question is that I don't have the computers, so you're going to have to bring your own computer, and whether it's a laptop or maybe an iPad, and I will send you login of the password, like a Wi-Fi network and the password. So when you're gonna come in and set up over here, you're going to have to connect. But it's gonna take a second. And what else do we need? Make sure your device is charged. And bring the charger just in case. Well, I'm only like I have like a couple of outlets there. I mean, technically, I can buy like extensions, but I don't want to buy like 7, 8 extensions, for for everyone. So I, not because I don't want to buy it, but because like it's, I don't know, it's like it's gonna be very impractical. So I hope whatever device you have is gonna have enough charge for you to do the whole test, and if it doesn't, then we use it. Then we use the charger. Yeah, it should be charged. Um, what else? And then we'll see your score like right in the end of the test. That was great. All right. Now before we finish, I wanted to actually go over back to that test that we took last class. I think last class. Do that question 27 because I think we did everything but that question 27 and go over it and that would be it for today. All right. So does anyone remember like which test it was? Was it test 9 or test 10? Test 10 maybe. It was probably test 10. All right, is that the it is that question. I'm pretty sure. So so okay, you're saying about no, I wouldn't. Why would you? This is the worst thing that you can do to your SAT score if you're gonna take it again. Why would you want to burn your second try in a month of a preparation? Guys, I explained it to everyone. I can explain it again, I guess. So,
No, it was just the fact of the SAT that I took in on the 8th. I had paid for it, not knowing that we get the school pays for the SAT. So if I
mm,
wouldn't have taken the one on the 8th, we're supposed to be taking one on the 20 something. Like we get assigned a day. Everybody gets assigned a different day. And I was technically supposed to take it then, but applied for the 8th. So I don't
mm-hmm.
really want to take it again on the 20 whatever because
No, don't
bro,
take
it
it.
was so tiring.
Don't forget. Yeah, obviously, it is. But it's normal. In order to actually perform better and better, you need to make yourself tired because at some point you're gonna start getting less tired. You know what I mean? So that's how training goes. The thing is that look at this, guys. Like, obviously, if you got your dream score like right now in March, then obviously, like you don't have to do more tutoring and more studying. But why are you like? So let's say if this is 11th grade, right? This is like let's say this is the summer, right? And this is the 12th grade. You know what? Wait, basically, your college applications start here. Like even not even that early. Actually, here. You know what I mean? The earliest applications that I've seen for college is like in December, maybe December. Like I don't know. It's very few. Usually, it's like January, February. So I don't like basically I don't understand why do you like why would you want to take it here? And like I understand why schools give it to you there because it used to be a paper-based test and they had to check them. Like they actually had to collect all the tests, like put it in like I don't know, put it in like the boxes, then send it to like college board or something, right? Then the college board checks the tests and it's gonna take I don't know how long, I don't know how much how long it's gonna take them, and then send it and then send the results back to school. Obviously, right? It would take all of that time, right? And then the students would get their scores in like several months, right? And only then they can apply. Now it's not the case. Now they check it almost right away. I mean, they would have the score right away, right? Just like in this computer-based test, they have it right away. So that means that why if you like if you can study, especially right now since we have that like all those tests, why not study like actually almost until like, okay, I'm not saying you should like keep studying here because you kind of already have your like senior year started. So my strongest suggestion is to take it here. Take your SAT to your second try over here. Why? Well, because you can study over the summer, first of all. Your senior year hasn't started yet, right? So you don't have any school, any classes, anything, all your APs not started yet. So you have like kind of your head is free. And you can study extra harder over the summer, like almost taking like a mock test every week. I don't know. And then take it there. And that's it. And basically start your application process or like prepare your extracurricular. I don't know, like do whatever, but SAT starting your senior year. Like basically the school. Do you understand? The school makes you lose that time of preparation. Like, what's the reason to have your score here if you're gonna apply here? Does it make sense? I don't know. It's like for me, it's just like illogical. And why would they give it to you like while you have all the school going on? Like in the middle of the year, you have regions coming up that you have to prepare for. You have this, you have that. Like this doesn't make sense at all. Or they just don't care. You know what I mean? Like yeah, whatever. Who You take it, you take it. And you know what? A lot of people don't know about it. That they create such a gap. So basically obviously the more times you take, the like I would say I wouldn't take it more than 3 times, right? So by like you just spend basically your first try right now like on your first school SAT, right? Spending your second one over here, like right next to it, is insane. That's why I was basically ranting about you, like them offering you to take it again. But I understand what you signed up for one and then they give you the one for free. No, don't take it. I mean, I would rather schedule my second one in August and then I would schedule a backup one, like let's say early September. But like basically, this is your first one, this is your second one, and this is your backup third one. Like, but don't take like you don't have to take the third one. On the second one, you should be already satisfied with your score. That's like you're gonna register for the third one to if anything goes wrong, like in case something goes wrong on the second one. And by something goes wrong, things happen. You know what I mean? You can have, I don't know, you could have been sick, or you could have been, I don't know, you could have had a headache, a migraine, upset stomach. I don't know. Things happen, right? So that's why I suggest to everyone to schedule your third one. But if everything goes okay, no, like basically emergency situations on the second one, just not take the third one unless you really, really want to. Like, oh, I can do better. I for sure can do better. Then I guess, yeah, but definitely not more than 3 times. So this is the plan. But like I said, the only case where you don't take it when don't study like until the end of the summer is if you get a good score right now. If you can get like this number right now, or like whatever was your dream score. Everybody have different aspiration, but like right now, since we kind of get like use that system to be boosted, this is it's gonna be a game changer. All right, so let me do that question and we'll be done. Okay, did everyone get the idea of these like tests and whatever, you know. So I hope everyone did. Now, a lot of parents and a lot of students in my like previous career, when I was explaining that, they were really upset that the school never told them about that. Because they were like, "Oh, I thought that we had to take it then and only then," you know. It's like, no, not really. All right. So that specific question. Uh, what is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? All right. So distributing. It's going to be x squared plus x minus 56 equals to 4x squared minus 28x. So obviously we're going to make everything equal to 0. So I'm going to do this. Why am I doing this? Because I don't want to have a negative x squared. I want to have positive x squared. And the only way for me to have it like right here, right now, is to get rid of all of the left side ones. I think it's just, and then plus 56 here. All right, so it's going to be so 0 on the left side, and then negative. Well, no. What do you mean? What do I mean? 3x squared minus 29x plus 56. All right, so now the sum of the solutions. Guys, Daniel, a question specifically to you. What did you do from here?
I was in the bathroom for a couple of minutes. I just got back.
No, about like this question. Like, do you remember that's question number 27? Because I think you told me
Um,
that I think you told me uh,
yeah,
that
I believe,
you were having a difficulty with number 27 there.
yeah, this was the question that I got wrong, which I should have just put into Desmos, honestly,
Mm-hmm.
because I feel like it's like if it's the last question, I probably only have like 4 minutes to do it.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like instantly I should just put it into Desmos, really.
Okay, what if
But
I tell you that, and to you, Alexa, that putting it into Desmos wouldn't be the fastest way? Because it's a very old school type of question, I think. I haven't seen it in a while, but it this type of question used to be popular. Like sum of the solution of the product of the solutions. Uh, yeah. It is, but not b, negative b, negative b over a. So in order to get some of the solutions, they kind of like if you go ahead and find the solutions and then add them, it's gonna take a while, you know. But if you know this specific formula, it takes you seconds. And that's it. Negative b, which means 29 over a, which is 3, and that's it. That's it. That's the answer. By the way, if they would say product of the solutions, it's C over A. That's product of the solutions. Yeah, so this is it. You know, it's for number 27, it's crazy. You know, it's crazy easy. I mean, but like I said, if you forgot this formula, then yeah, go ahead. Go into Desmos, put this in, get this, find the solutions that add them up. That's also will work. Now, Um, that's that's all I wanted to do for today, but not everything that I wanted to say for